In this modern world, where it is hard to find a decent meal under 200 rupees, imagine my surprise when I stumbled upon a gaming mouse at that price point. Intrigued by the offer, I couldn't resist but purchase it to see if it's truly worth it. Truth be told, the unboxing experience left much to be desired. The package arrived in a terrible condition as if it had been through a rough journey. Flipkart really needs to work on the shipping management. Nonetheless, opening the box, or well, what was left of it, discovered a gaming mouse with a USB 3.0 port. The mouse features a matte texture with sleek black color on top and vibrant blue accents on the sides. The cherry on top is the Arctic Fox logo adorned with the breathing RGB light. One of the standout features of this mouse is the additional button that allows you to adjust the DPI from 800 all the way up to 3600, giving you the flexibility to customize your gaming experience. As for the in-hand feel, I must say it's really comfortable, far superior to the generic mice in this price range. The ergonomic design ensures a firm grip and allows for extended gaming sessions without discomfort. When it comes to gaming performance, this mouse delivers. The sensor appears to be accurate, providing smooth and responsive movement during the gameplay. Whether you are engaging in a fast-paced action or a precision aiming, this mouse holds its own. I can't ignore the elephant in the room, the poor packaging. It's clear that Flipkart needs to step up their game in terms of shipping and handling. However, if you can overlook that, this is truly a steal of a deal if you are tight on a budget and in need of a gaming mouse. In conclusion, despite its flaws, this budget gaming mouse proves that you don't have to break the bank for a satisfactory gaming experience. With its comfortable design, impressive performance, and pocket-friendly price tag, it's certainly worth considering if you are in the market for an affordable gaming mouse. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel for amazing tech videos. Bye bye now.